and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, I feel like the coupons we've been getting lately have just been slacking. The deals on Ibotta have been slacking. I mean, Ibotta used to be really good. This is like the first or second month that I really have not made it to level 4. And a lot of you guys have been saying that. Like, I was talking to you guys in my live video, which I will be doing again soon. But a lot of you guys were saying that Ibotta's not the greatest, and I don't know what's going on with Ibotta. It's just like some deals are pretty good and some aren't, but I don't know. Some of them are just like a quarter. I'm like, I don't care about a quarter unless it's like super dirt cheap. But I know they're not there to like give us free stuff, but hey, it's still nice. But yeah, and I went there today right after work, so I wasn't fully prepared. I just had a list of some stuff in the coupons that I had. But I still wanted to share with you guys some stuff that I got at Walmart so you guys can follow the same deals. I got a couple freebies, so I was pretty excited, or one freebie, so I was pretty excited about that. So what I ended up getting is the Biotene Dry Mouthwash. Now these were $3.47. I used a $1.25 coupon that is on coupons.com. I don't think it's available anymore, but it was there, so you guys would pay $2.22 for this. But then you guys will get $2 back with Ibotta, making it just 22 cents. So I think 22 cents for this. It does help. I mean, I guess a lot of people have taken it. I don't really have dry mouth ever, but I wonder if it tastes better than Listerine. Probably not. Probably not. So, got that going on. The easy freebie that you guys definitely want to do is the Bic Soleil razors. Now these were $3.27. Now you guys can do this deal up to 3 times if you guys want. So you guys would pay $3.27 for each one. But then you guys will get $4 back with checkout 51. Now I already got $4 back with checkout 51. So this ends up becoming a 73-cent moneymaker for each one. So that's a pretty good deal. If you guys haven't joined checkout 51, definitely do it. I have the link below. You guys redeem your first receipt, you guys will get $5, which is easy free money. So want to share with you guys with that deal. I ended up doing the Johnson oil deal again. I'm just trying to get baby deals, not just for me, but for my friend who's pregnant. I know I'll have a couple other friends pregnant before I have my baby, so it's nice to, you know, help other people out.
Logan has one.
Logan has a baby coming, yep.
And Edson has a baby coming.
No, Edson already has a baby. He has a baby brother. So this was $3.
You know it's ready. Grant has a brother.
Grant has a brother? Yeah, okay. We're just going to name off all of our siblings. So, anyways, this was $3.92. There's a $1 off coupon that you guys can use from coupons.com and pay $2.92. You guys will get $1 back on Ibotta, making this just $1.92. Not the greatest deal, but I wanted to share with you guys this. Now, some of you guys were asking about doing deals without paper coupons. You guys, I'm sorry, that's the only way I can do most of my deals is with paper coupons or regular coupons. If you guys have the coupons.com app, you guys can submit your receipt for that, but those coupons you can only do it once and one time only unless it resets, but I don't know how often it resets on the app. So there's that for you guys, but otherwise there's really no digital coupons to use. Saving Star. I will be doing a Saving Star video for you guys. I really wanted to do the video today, but I was not home, so it was kind of hard to show you guys, and I didn't bring my camera. But what I ended up doing is you can scan your app, and you can choose if you have money on your app, you can choose to have it not come off or not. But if you choose you
have to charge you. Have you charge you?
My camera's not blinking yet.
Yeah, see? It says it's dying.
It says it's recording.
Want to die?
No, not yet. But anyways, what you guys can do is you have that option to shut it off, but you can scan that little QR code. Pick it up. You guys can scan that QR code on your app at the register while the cashier's scanning, and that's how you guys can get to Walmart Pay. So you guys can pay however you want. You just make sure you scan that app while she's scanning the stuff. So what I did is I scanned it. I gave her $1 cash because I had some money on my app. I gave her $1 cash, and then my money came off my app. So that, and then my receipt printed. Now a lot of you guys say it works without a receipt. You can do that, but it's difficult because you got to somehow get it on your computer. You got to scan it for Ibotta. You got to scan it for Saving Star, Checkout 51, Fetch Rewards. So I rather just have a paper receipt because then I can also submit my receipt for a couple of different apps that I have. So that's how you guys do it. I will be showing you guys videos. I'm kid-free on Mondays. I will show you, just, you got to give me time. You got to give me time for that. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. Now I got some more baby powder. I got so much freaking baby powder. It's ridiculous. But the baby powder was $2.86. You guys use that dollar off coupon from coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.86 for this, but then you guys can get $1 back with Ibotta, making it just 86 cents. And I love baby powder. I don't know why. I just love the smell of baby powder. Maybe I should wear baby powder. Okay, now the next deals I did, now it wasn't the greatest deal, but I wanted to still do this deal just to share with you guys. Plus I wanted some stuff to make with Benjamin because he's been begging to make cookies, and I need to make cookies with him. I just don't really have wanted to yet. Still a little too early, but we already had cookies already. But I ended up getting the Pillsbury chocolate chip cookies. These were $2.50. I used a 1 off of 3 coupon. I don't know if it's available anymore. It should still be. It's available all the time. But I forgot also you can submit your receipt to Saving Star, so I got to do that still. But I used a $1 off of 3 coupon for the chocolate chips for $2.50. I got the cinnamon rolls for $3.78 with that coupon. And then I ended up getting the crescent rolls. For $2.18. So all 3 of those, after the $1 off of 3 coupon, you guys would pay $7.46, okay? But you get a quarter, and a quarter back with Ibotta. Again, not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to get these because we eat these every once in a while, and like, whatever, it's still cheaper doing it this way, plus I get credit to go on my Ibotta account. So that comes out to be $6.71 for all 3 of them, or $2.23. Like I said, not the greatest deal, but I still wanted to share with you guys on that. And then I ended up getting the Grand's Flaky Layers biscuits. Now these were $1.98. I used a 30-cent off coupon that you guys can print off of coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.68 for this. Again, you guys can submit a 25-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it a $1.43. So wanted to share with you guys on that. And I do think there is a deal on Saving Star. I just did not submit my receipt for that, but I think there's a deal for that if you guys wanted to get another $1 back. So that could still be a good deal. So my total, oh yeah, then after I did the whole Saving Star, I forgot to give the cashier my coupons. Like, I'm like, oh right, everything worked out fine. And then I'm like, crap, I forgot to give her my coupons. So she's like, just go to the service desk. So I went to the service desk and I got my money back. So no problem there. But my total came to $25.95. Hold on. My cat keeps teasing me, walking around my feet. So my total came to $25.95. I ended up getting $5 back with Ibotta. I also hit level 1. I just needed 1 to finish with level 1. So I got 50 cents for that. I also got $12 back with checkout 51. That is for the 3 packs of razors. So my total came to $8.45 for all 10 items. That comes out to be just 84 cents a piece. So I think for all that stuff, I think it was a pretty good deal. I did want to get the Febreze wash, but my store was sold out of that, so I'm like, whatever. And my store just didn't have some of the stuff I had on my list, or just was sold out on a lot of stuff, or I didn't have the correct coupons for it. But I still wanted to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. But I hope you guys enjoy my Walmart heart. Sorry, I just like bonding with my cutie. She's just my little girl. She's just my little girl. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. And I'll see you guys all next week. And be prepared. I will be showing you guys that, I got cat hair everywhere. I will be showing you guys that savings catcher video. Just give me some time. I got to do it when it's not so crazy busy. So we'll see. We'll see, unless I go at like 3 in the morning. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. And I hope to see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.